This week I've been testing the Kia Niro PHEV. I've been having a look at the difference between this and the fully electric model that I tested previously. Let's find out how it differs as a baby drive. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow us on our socials. The main difference in the PHEV model is in the boot. The boot of the EV is nice and deep, so prams can go down into it and you've got room around for the bags. However, with this PHEV model, the boot is much shallower, so you can only put your prams in and there's not as much room for shopping bags. Let's find out how much it fits. Now, the boot of the PHEV model will fit 10 shopping bags, which is the same as the electric model. A twin stroller will fit, but with no shopping bags, whereas 2 shopping bags fit in the electric model. A tandem pram fits with 1 shopping bag, whereas 4 shopping bags fit in the EV model. A single pram fits with 1 shopping bag, whereas 4 shopping bags fit in the EV model. And a compact stroller fits with 6 shopping bags, whereas 8 shopping bags fit in the EV model. Pretty much everything's the same inside the PHEV as in EV model. There's just a button down in the central console so you can select if you're in full EV or hybrid mode. You can watch the distribution of energy on the screen in front of the steering wheel and on the media screen as well, and see where your nearest places to charge are too. Now, we've found the PHEV does about 45 kilometres on the battery, and that's really been enough this week with my family, just for a couple of days, getting to school runs, shopping, just the normal runabout things around town. And then we charge it again and get another couple of days out of it. So we've hardly used much fuel at all. The PHEV model is cheaper to buy than the EV model, so that is a consideration. We also found once the battery was used up and we were driving it in everyday life, it was actually very economical as a fuel car. It's a really nice car to drive. The transition between the battery and the engine is really smooth. You don't really notice that. And we've found one of the best things is, like an EV model, when you're sitting with the engine running and your kids are asleep and the aircon going, then you don't need to worry about chewing through your fuel either. I really like in this PHEV model the fact that I can watch the energy flow on the media screen, so I can tell if I'm using the battery or the motor. And you can also see as well how much battery you've got left and how much fuel you've got left in the display in front of the driver's steering wheel. So to sum up with the Niro PHEV, I think it's a really good option for families. It gives you that economic everyday use, just using the battery so you're not chewing through fuel for school drop-offs and things like that. And then you've got the reassurance of having the petrol engine for when you want to do longer distances and go on holiday, and you don't have to worry about where chargers are going to be. You've also got the flexibility when your kids are asleep in the back. You can sit with the engine on and you're not chewing through your fuel either.